On this episode of Where the Hell is Mel, we went on a tour of the Carnival Jubilee cruise ship. This is the Grand Central Station area where the music and the shows happen. Went out here to the Lido deck, the pools, one of the pools, many pools on this ship, and of course the bar. We went in and we actually got to eat. So it's got all this dining area, the seating area on the inner side, and then out by the windows. They have all kinds of food. I did not get all the different foods they had in this video, but anything you can think of, they had it there, and it was very delicious. This is some of what me and David had. Sorry, it wasn't before we ate it, but it was very good. And we sat next to the window and saw the Battleship Texas out our window. So we went out next to the Tides bar, and on that deck or that area there is another pool. And that pool is really cool looking, and it has two hot tubs with it. Right above there is another area that you can sit in and look out over the pool. This is so cool with these umbrella areas. And oh wait, look, there is the roller coaster track right above us. So we're going to go up there and check that area out. This is the ultimate playground that has putt-putt golf. There's a wave pool or area, and then there's, the water park, and so many things to do up there. And here's David, of course, teeing up to play putt-putt. But here is the Wave Rider, I think is what it's called. I probably got that wrong. But it's really cool little water park. You see the water slides in the back there. And then here's the little umbrella water feature. And it has a little bucket that gets filled up and eventually will overflow. Here we go. Woo! That was so much fun. I love seeing that. Here's the Bolt roller coaster. And you'll go up these stairs here in just a second to get up there. We did not ride it. It wasn't working for us that day in between loading. Here's some cute little cabanas, and I have, of course, had to try them out. I love it. It was so comfortable. And the basketball courts where you can play basketball. And here is a little obstacle course that you can climb on and go around the ship. You have to be this tall to get on the ropes course, and I passed. This is cornhole, of course, and foosball and ping pong. And then we're back to the basketball courts here. And you'll see again the water slides that you can ride in. It's just so much fun for the family and things to do. Then we went down to Shaq's Big Chicken. And of course, I love Shaq. I have to take a picture with Shaq, of course. And then we went back in and through the shopping area of the ship. And this is a really cool place because you can look down on the Grand Central Station where all the shows and the music is. Really cool view there. And then we walked through some more shopping and things like that. Came upon this cute, cool looking Chris Craft boat. David and Brian liked it, so they posed there. And then you can get some goodies here, little sweet treats. But check out this little sculpture thing here. This was so beautiful. And then you look down and you see it down on the next level. Don't drop your phone. You got to be careful there. And here's some other restaurants they have on there. We didn't go into any of the restaurants, but we just kind of walked through looking at those. And this is one here. It's really cool. They had a Heroes place that I had to take a picture, and you can see it's a sports bar as well. Here's a cute little thing that you can get ice cream, and go through there you'll come to another pool and in the back of the boat. It did not have water in it at the time, but it was a really nice area to sit. Now this is Jose. He was our tour guide basically. He was a friend of Nancy's that showed us around. And looking at other restaurants, there are another deck that has a lot of these places you can sit. And David took advantage of that. More cute cabana chairs. Basically, guys, if you can't find a place to sit on this ship, you're not looking. And here's another cute little area with some little cabana chairs and Then there's a pool, again, another pool and bar, of course. And then we head up to another area that has lounge chairs. Again, if you cannot find a seat, you're not looking. These have great places to sit and read a book or just relax. And then we're going to go by this Loft 19. Look at the price to even get in there. Oh my God, we didn't do that. So then we went over to another area. Here is where they have the big screen and of course a pool area that you can sit in. And then it was time for us to get off the ship before it took off. David says this way, off the ship. We had an enjoyable time touring the Jubilee.